Let's make the spiced ripe plantain recipe, also known as Kelewale. Hello my lovely people, I welcome you back again to my channel Getty Cooks, where I share easy food recipes on this channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. I have my plantain here. Also, these are my spices, some ginger, cloves, grains of salim, calabash nuts, milk, some peppercorn and onion. I will also add some salt and my hot pepper. So into a bowl, I will peel my plantain, then go ahead to divide it into two and then slice it diagonal. If today being your first time here, you are welcome and thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't hesitate to like and also share this video. So I just want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. You guys have been so good to me and I do appreciate all your time and your effort. God bless you all. To my amazing new subscribers, you guys are welcome on board. Okay, so moving forward into my blender, I went in with my spices and I also added a little amount of water and then blend everything into a very beautiful and smooth paste. So guys, it's time to season the plantain. I added some salt and then went in with my blended spices. I will also go in with my hot pepper and then mix everything together. And after mixing everything, I will let it marinate for 30 minutes or more if you have the time. So this will allow the plantain to absorb the flavors from the spices. And thank you so much. If you are still watching up to this time, please don't forget to like this video and also share this video among your friends and family. You can watch me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube short. The name is Getty Cooks. So now I will go ahead and heat up my oil, and after some time the oil is heated and I scoop some of the plantain into the oil gently. I'm not going to stir at this point because I want the spices to be on the plantain, and after 10 minutes I will just stir this gently. After additional 10 minutes, I will just flip it for the other side to also fry it very well. Moving forward, at this point the plantain is well fried and I'll just take it off from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel to get rid of any excess oil. I'll be frying this in batches until every plantain is well fried. If you find this video interesting, please don't hesitate to share this video and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.